Hi guys, this is Harmeet from Divine Healing. This is a picker pile reading. There are three piles over here, and this is a reading. This is a guidance for you for any situation you are facing in your life right now. It is a timeless guidance. Whenever you will see this video, the guidance would be valid for you. So over here, there are three piles. You need to choose any one point which you feel connected to. Yeah, you can even choose two or three, whatever guides to you or whatever pile connects to you. But before that, close your eyes, take two, three deep breaths and centralize yourself because you need to make your thoughts and your mind very calm, and you need to ground your energy. For doing that, you need to take two, three breathe with a count of one in and with a count of one breathe out. In this way, take two, three breathe and then open your eyes and see which pile or piles resonate with you. So here are the piles. This is pile number one with the amethyst tumble. This is pile number two with a clear quartz tumble, and this is a pile number three with a black tourmaline tumble. Just close your eyes and see which pile resonates with you. So let's see what guidance does pile number one, the people who have chosen pile number one. Let's see what guidance is there for those people, and it can be regarding any situations in your life. So the first card is abundance. The guidance is that I am a limitless being and I can manifest whatever I desire in this physical reality. So the guidance for you is that the universe is saying, yeah, the divine and angels are telling, affirm that you are a limitless being and you can manifest whatever you desire in your physical reality. And the next guidance is that spiritual awakening. At this point of time, there is a spiritual awakening in your life. You're awakening at a spiritual and soul level. So just try to analyze what this awakening is guiding you, and this awakening will help you to grow spiritually and also to grow and help you in your life in guiding and living your life in a better way. And the third message is ask your body for a massage. So the guidance is, dear body, please help me to hear your messages. Ask me to please guide me in honoring and respecting my body needs. So over here, the guidance is that the body is telling you, is giving you messages, and the guidance is that you need to ask Archangel Raphael to guide you to honor your body, as you will guide and as you will honor your body by taking care of it or by doing exercise or by giving it a relaxing massage, the which is most desired and needed by your body. And as you will do that, it the body will become better and it will honor you and help you to achieve whatever you desire in your life. The next guidance is redirect your thoughts. Focus on what you want to attract in this relationship, not on what you fear. You will fear what will happen. So the guidance is that whatever you desire in any relationship or any situation in your life, you need to visualize that what you desire instead of fearing what would happen or or visualizing anything negative about it. And the other guidance is that victory, your desire is coming to fruition. Keep up the good work. So whatever you would desire in your life will turn out as you want to, but for that you need to keep doing the good work you have been doing till right now. And again, see, the guidance is listen to your intuition. Okay. So at this time of point of time, the guidance is that not to go by your logic or your logical mind, but it is better to listen what your intuition is guiding you. You might be getting intuitive messages, some hunches, and some thoughts in your mind. The guidance is that to listen to you. The reason is that as we receive the card that you're spiritually awakening, and that spiritual awareness is even increasing your intuition. And whatever you and desire may happen in 11 days to 11 weeks. And the guidance is also that for any situations in your life, you need to listen to your friends around also. So this was the guidance for pile number one. Whoever has chosen the crystal amethyst. Now this is for pile number two for the people who have chosen the crystal clear quartz. Let's see what the guidance is there for you. This is the guidance for any situations you are facing right now in your life. You have asked the guidance for courage. I find in the inner strength to face fear with confidence. Okay, so the guidance is that face whatever fear you have in your life with your with confidence, and your inner strength will help you to face that fear with courage and confidence. And as you face your fears, you'll be able to overcome any difficult situations into your life. Mother Earth. The next guidance is that you need to connect to Mother Earth. Maybe during this period of time frame, you were very busy with your own stuff, and in the hustle of bustle of the daily routine, you have forgot to be getting closer to Mother Earth. And for that, because as we go closer to Mother Earth help us in healing many things in our life, and it also help us to ground our energies. But best way is to go out, move in the in the nature, and try to sit in the nature, try to ground your energies, or try to walk on a green grass, and try to connect with mother energies. See again, and the next guidance is unconditional joy. Archangel Ravi, thank you for helping me appreciating everything that makes me happy right now. So the guidance is that you need to be thankful, or you need to do things that will help you to appreciate everything you have in your life, and that will or that makes you happy. So you need to do that things and appreciate that things, or bring that things in your life that brings joy and positivity into your life. And the next guidance, distance. The separation you are experiencing is necessary to help a relationship grow. At this point of time, you might be feeling a separation or distance from people in your life, but the guidance is that the separation is very necessary to heal a relationship you might be, or any issues you might be going through in your life right now. The next guidance is the angel is telling you that I am bringing you a message from a disease, and if you are concerned with anybody who has passed away from your life, the angels are telling that I am they are bringing the message that they are happy and at peace with, wherever they are, so you don't need to be any concerned about them. And helpful people. So the guidance is also that if you're going through any issues in your life, you need to get the help of people around. And if you do that, don't fear or don't hesitate to get help from any people around you. And if you do that, maybe those people may help you to get over the situations you are fighting at this point of time. And whatever you desire in your life will be possible in the zodiac sign of Virgo, or it's from 28 to 24th August to 22nd September. And it can also be possible, whatever you desire may occur in 6 weeks or 6 months. And the guidance is also that harvest the crop. Whatever you have done or whatever you have invested, this is the time to harvest the reward of it, and harvest it and use it for your benefit. So this was the guidance for pile 2. Let's see what the guidance is there for pile 3 for the people who have chosen The black tourmaline tumble. Doubt. I release the need to know all the answers. So, the person who have chosen this file, the guidance for you is that you need the release to know answer to everything in your life. Maybe there might be situation in your life where you have the tendency or nature that you want answers for everything. So the guidance is that you have to get over this need to get the answers. You have to know the answers of any everything that is happening or in your life. Nurturing. So the next guidance is that at this point of time you need to nurture yourself. Maybe you might till now be very concerned with why and why what is happening, why it is so happening, or you might be taking care about situations or peoples in your life, but you are not nurturing yourself. But the guidance is that at this point of time you need to get over all that why, how, and this, and you need to nurture yourself to get over any situations in your life. And for nurturing yourself you need to consult a nutrition, because nutrition may help you may help you to and guide you to for a better organic diet, and that will help you to nurture yourself. And the other guidance is that keep the door open. Don't be too focused on the closed door that you don't see the ones which are open for you. So again, the guidance is that don't be very focused on the things or the doors that have been closed, and you miss the opportunities, or you are not able to see the doors that are open for you. So just keep a positive outlook towards life, and don't be negative of what has been lost. And then Archangel Gabriel is saying you have an important life purpose involving communication and arts. Please don't let your insecurities to be hold you back, and I will help you. So the guidance over here is that you have an important life purpose related to means you have important life purpose, or you can opt for any career or business or job that's related to communication, and you have those abilities, but because of your insecurities you are holding back, and you don't need to hold back, because the angel is saying if you need any help they are there to help you out. And the best thing at this point of time is forgiveness. If somebody has hurt you, or you have hurt somebody knowingly or unknowingly, the guidance is that for you to forgive yourself or forgive the person that have hurt you. And the best way to ask for forgiveness is the Ho'oponopono prayer. I love you. Please forgive me. I am sorry. Thank you. And this prayer you need to do not for the other person to forgive anybody else. You need to do this prayer for yourself and ask forgiveness, or ask forgiveness to divine for the reason you have attracted the situations into your life. And whatever you desired will be possible in the zodiac sign of Sagittarius. That is from 23rd November to 21st December, or it may be within 9 weeks to ninth month. And the guidance is also that you need to find a new meaning towards your life, or whatever you are doing at this point of time. And if you'll do so, and if you'll nurture yourself and take care of yourself and let go of what has already gone, things will turn out beautifully for you. So these were the guidances for the three piles. Thank you so much. And if the reading resonated, do like the video and share with your loved ones, and hit the bell icon, so in future whenever I upload the videos, you can get the notification. And for any personalized reading, card reading, healing, and remedial sessions, you can contact me through my number 983777092, as I do most of my work online on calls. And even you can connect to me through my Facebook page, which is in the name of Divine Healing, and even I have an Insta account in the name of Divine Healing, and even I have a free group in the name of Divine Blessings. If you wish, you can join the group. All the links would be shared in the description box. And if you want any personalized sessions, even the rate, the charges are written in the description box. And if you want to know about more about me, all the links to the social media of my social media accounts are in the description box, and even the testimonies of my clients are there in the description box. Thank you so much. I hope the video could be of any help to you. Stay tuned for the next video.